tomorrow I'm gonna edit this and hopefully I'm gonna post it by Halloween. And if I don't post it by Halloween, I'm still posting it because we're too hard on this. Put it in your watch later for next Halloween. No, actually watch it and then put it in your liked videos and then watch it next Halloween when you have to dress up as me. I am your Halloween costume. All you have to do is put a clown nose on, man. Honk. Ow! A pair of tweezers just stuck me right on my... We are nearing 6 a.m. We're filming the intro. That's it. And I'm done. I'm gonna sleep. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alex and this is Alexandra, and today we are gonna be walking through my Halloween look. I did Draculaura from Monster High. I painted myself pink painstakingly and on camera just for you. We're, tight like that. And I would do anything for you, I'd die for you. I'm gonna walk you through everything I did to achieve this look. Hope you will stick with me and enjoy the video. I'm gonna list all the products down in the description. You'll see all of them in the video. Hair is up and out of the way. We're just gonna chit chat while I do this because I get bored when I do makeup by myself and I have to have like a TV show playing in the background, because I have to be entertained at all times, okay? I'm gonna be starting with my Embryolisse moisturizer, painting it on all over my face, and this time I'm gonna get my neck and shoulders just so it can be like a base for my face paint. But anyway, Halloween is like my favorite holiday ever. Like, I've always liked to dress up and do whatever, but I think it really started when I was like 13 or 14 and I was like, I want to cosplay, and everyone thought that was weird. And I would wait for Halloween to come around because I'd be so excited because I was like, they can't call me weird now because everyone's dressing up. Girl, like, why do you care? And now I'm at the point in time where I don't really care. I'm gonna do the base makeup first. The Photo Finish Primer from Smashbox. Let's get into it. But yeah, love Halloween. I just enjoy it because I get an excuse to do like funky makeup. I love to do glam and soft glam and whatever. Ugh. I got a fuzz in my mouth. Okay, anyway, there's just some allure in dressing up as a character to me, or just in funky makeup. I'm gonna try and spread the primer down my neck and chest. I'm gonna wear a long sleeve with this just so I can avoid painting my whole arm. She wears a long sleeve, so problem solved. I let my primer and like my face prep sink in just a little. Oh, also, new nails. I'm loving them. Now I'm gonna start my base, and I like to mix paints to get the shade that I want. Starting with the Mehron paint. This is Clown White. Perfect for me. Okay, Clown White. Oh, she's got green. Me from the past. I'm gonna take my other Clown White, because I have two of them. She's brand new. If I mess this up, kill me. I'm gonna take like a little palette. I'm gonna scrape some out. I literally use a paint scraper, like an actual, whatever. The UCANBE Athena palette. And I put it in here. Walk with me. I scrape it. And we're going for kind of a light pink. I don't wanna be like hot pink. Not that I'm opposed. Maybe next time. No lumps, no bumps. We're cooking, we're baking. I'm gonna take a wet beauty blender, and I actually put setting spray on my beauty blender. We've got our paint. I literally take the paint scraper and I use it to put it on my face. This paint is pretty thick. I'm not using a ton of it. I'm just starting off with this. I'm gonna go in and just start spreading it around. I swapped out my little clips for a headband. It's got some little ears on it. Whatever. I just start blending it out with a beauty blender. I don't actually have any plans for Halloween right now. I moved, a hurricane hit my town. We live inland. The paint's gonna get all over my lips, it's gonna get all in my baby hairs. We'll deal with it later. Oh, my eyebrows are growing in. You guys can't tell me. We're gonna look so interesting for a second. We are so back. I'm gonna move on to my neck. I'm gonna put some on my chest too. The beauty blender. and just blend it out. I've painted myself pink and I've painted myself green and I've painted myself blue. The blue didn't work out, like entirely blue. I was up until like 6 o'clock in the morning doing it because for some reason I stay up all night. Half the content you see from me, I probably filmed at 4 o'clock in the morning because I get these random surges of energy in the middle of the night. Girls gotta do what a girl's gotta do, right? I'm putting some on my ears. Look, listen, we're gonna be pink today. It's kind of making my teeth look yellow and that bothers me, but it's fine. I'm pulling my little straps down. No, I'm not getting naked. I'm not. Still clothed, mostly. I get up behind my ears too, over the side of my shoulder. I'm not gonna do my whole back for this video. Be serious. Let's be realistic, friend. I like fully stick the beauty blender in my ear. I'm fully committed to the bit, okay? You have to be. If you're not committed, what's the point? It's gonna eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Walk with me. Promise you. I'm blended out. This is my base. Yes, I'm wearing clothes. Now I'm gonna take my clown white. I'm gonna mix a little bit of this. I always like to have more than I need, then I don't have to rematch the shade. Work smarter, not harder. I have to itch, but I can't touch my face. Now I've got my little blended pink that I'm gonna use for my concealer. So I'm gonna put it in all the places that I normally put my concealer. Under my eyes and in the corner. It's so funny to do this with like a paint scraper. This is so weird, but this is just me. This is just my way of doing things. I just have to deal with it. Little forehead moment, little chin moment. Putting it on all the places that I want to be kind of highlighted, so. Oh my God, my hand is shaking so hard, hang on. Tip of my nose. Why do I do makeup the way I do makeup? I don't know, but zooming back out so I can get out of your face a little bit. I'm going in with a new beauty blender now, just so we don't have a crossover episode with the colors. I just don't want to deal with it. Blending this out. And I'm doing this exactly the way that I would do my normal makeup. I am so excited for Halloween. A lot can change between now and Thursday or this weekend. I'm gonna do a little bit around my nose too. Now we're gonna do contour. I'm gonna use the Fantasy Makers paint palette. This is from Wet n Wild. Girl, I'm fighting for my life. Okay, I mixed more pink. We're just gonna take the paint scraper and we're gonna go crazy. Take a little bit more pink. I'm going around the edge of my forehead, just under my cheekbones, kind of up towards my temple, under my chin. I'm using the back end of the same beauty blender I used to do my like concealer. I'm blending out my forehead. I've been really enjoying doing like the funky Halloween-y stuff, so expect more. I think the older I get, the more I realize everything you do that makes you happy matters way more than anything that anybody has to say about it. I think there's a lot more merit in just doing what you like to do and enjoying it than putting any kind of stock in what anyone says about you. Why would you care what somebody who doesn't like you thinks about you? I don't care. I've never cared. If I cared, would I be here painting myself pink? Probably. I would probably just do it sad. Where the F is my paint scraper, y'all? So now I'm gonna do my nose contour, and I'm gonna take a little more of my darker pink, a little bit of this. I'm gonna do it the same way that I did. Pause. Let's zoom in. We can be a little bit more like funky and extreme with this because, girl, it's Halloween. Be serious. If you don't go all out for Halloween, like, what's the point anyway? Can I be honest with y'all? Can I be mean for a second? I hate it when people are weird about dressing up for Halloween. It's like, just dress up. You know you want to dress up. Just dress up. Regardless, I'll be in the party, pink as Thank you. Blend her out. I've switched to the other end of the beauty blender. I've wiped it off. I like to use the skinny end to do my nose. Nose contour is done. We're gonna do blush. Just a hint darker than my contour. Just a little bit of this. Okay, baddies, we are mixed up and ready to go. Here, a little bit right there. I'm taking one more beauty blender because it's my life. I need you to walk with me. This whole thing is a walk with me because I'm gonna look insane until it's done. That's okay. I'm gonna kind of blend this up towards my temples too. I'm actually gonna blend a little up under my eyes and towards my nose. I've never formally learned how to paint my face, but this is the way that I do it and I find that it works well for me. Like I said in my last video, I'm not professionally trained to do makeup. Yeah, I'm going to esthetician school in January. Makeup is a part of it, but yeah, if you ever need me to do your makeup, hit me on my email or whatever. I have to take these concealer butthole lips off because it's so throwing me. I'm taking my butthole lips off. I'm gonna tell you guys my Halloween ideas for this year, ones that I did, and I'll tell you the ones that I didn't do, but I'm still gonna do anyway because the confines of society don't determine when I will and will not dress up, because I will do whatever I want. Zorro from One Piece, naturally, love my life. I did Carrie, now I'm doing Draculaura. My real goal for Halloween was to do Sexy Jutsu from Naruto, but that didn't end up happening on time. Loud ass toilet in the background is like gargling and making all kinds of noise. Ew. I'm gonna use the Revolution Matte Fix. Let it sit for a sec. Now we go in with powder. Now walk with me. This is the Lottie London Ready Set Go Brightening Pink Powder. When I do body paint, I would use baby powder type situation to seal it, but I'm gonna use this powder because I don't have baby powder on hand. I told you guys I just moved. We're making do, okay? I wanna make sure that my eyes are blended out because this really creases right here. I'm gonna go in first with this powder on my eyes. Now I'm gonna go under my eyes. It's kind of peachy. We're gonna come up over here. I'm trying to not really drag it because I don't want to pick up too much of the paint on my face and make it patchy. It works for the areas that I want to look blushed. This is my Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder in Ultra Blur Tone Up. This is still a pink powder, but it's a little more translucent. I'm gonna take a bigger powder puff like this. I'm just kind of tapping it on. I need you to walk with me. It's a marathon, not a sprint, baby. Revolution translucent powder. The creases of my nose and around my mouth and my smile lines and under my chin. This whole face painting thing is such a big trust the process. I love a face paint moment. I do. It's such a fun way to experiment with colors with makeup. Set my ears, paint all up in my baby hairs. So a girl is gonna have to jump in the shower after this. Some people just don't understand. This is gonna be a serve, all right? I'm just doing me. My mouth's gonna turn blue, but we're so pink. Okay, so I'm gonna take a pair of tweezers, the Mean Girls palette from Hello Profusion, this pink. Scrape some of this out with these tweezers because I'm gonna use this for my contour. I'm gonna mix this with a little bit of the pink powder that I was using earlier just so it's not so vibrant. I've got ideas and thoughts and such. I do. I don't look like it, but I do. Love going all out for Halloween, and I love going all out anyway. My whole life is all about being overzealous. I want to live, not just exist. I'm just doing this in my room in the middle of the night just for shits and giggles. I mean, I'm okay with that, and I think you guys are cool with that too. I feel like when I hit 24, which was about a month ago, girl, that frontal lobe started developing at like light speed, you know? She said, we've got a year left, and said, okay. Now I've fully decided to embrace all of my weird, interesting, outlandish hobbies and such with no remorse whatsoever. And I mean, I was kind of doing that before, but now it's like overdrive. I'm on Twitter. I'm like telling people my thoughts. They don't care. I don't either. I'm just talking just to yap. Under my nose. Trust the process. You must trust me and walk with me just a bit more. Fighting demons for you guys. Nothing like a nice cold Diet Coke right out of the fridge. Teeth are blue again. I ate another Airhead. Kind of goes with the Halloween vibe. This neon pink, and this is eye candy, and we are gonna be pink. All right. Kind of going under my eyes a little. Girlfriend has a little heart right here, so I'm gonna do that now. And I'm just kind of making the shape right here. Mean Girls Profusion palette again. This one right here. This is Burn Book. I'm slaying. Just want it to be a little bit darker. Tiny brush, just making a little more distinct. The Wicked palette from One Size. Bubble. This white as highlight. You would have to pry highlight from my cold dead hands. I remember when they started being the highlight is out. Girl, I don't care. I'm gonna bend over so you can kiss mine. Should I have considered this first? Perhaps. Do I look like I have foresight? Using the Urban Decay Big Bush Brow. I want to make my eyebrows black. NYX Lift and Snatch. Almay, all the intense black eyeliner. My eyes are gonna start rolling back in my head here soon. Again, not in pain, just doing me. Blend Buddy Blends palette. Love this palette. I'm gonna start with this one right here. Vamp. This flat brush here. Do like a line. It can look messy right now. We're gonna take eye candy. This is what I'm gonna use to blend out the purple. I'm going in right over this. Lash Step Matte About You. I'm gonna use this white above my brow bone. I'm gonna use this black down here. A little bit of corner action here. I'm using that same white from Lash Step. I'm just going in on my eyelid. Back to the Wicked palette. I'm using that same shade that I used for my highlight. Bubble, no mirror, just free balling. Go crazy on it. I feel like I have a lot of catchphrases that I say, not even on purpose. It's just me, doing me. Ooh, am I eating? I think I am. Spread the glitter over my crease a little bit just because I want the whole eye look to be glittery. And now I'm gonna put more on the brow bone. Some people do YouTube videos and look super sexy and hot and slay throughout. Throughout this video, I've been 1,000 different people. Carson Long Lasting Eyeliner. Anytime I raise my eyebrows, I'm getting little wrinkles in my forehead. It's not good because I'm so expressive. I have so much to say. Oh! Sitting on the bed with like towels down because I'm nuts. This ColourPop lippy pencil, heart on. Like heart on. Okay. Thought about this only after I had already lined my lips. It's never too late to just throw caution to the wind. Okay, yeah, this is gonna go so hard. I'm always right. This is the Weightless Liquid Blush from ColourPop. Yes, I'm using liquid blush. It just works, okay? Look. I'm gonna curl my eyelashes. Cool. Lights Camera Lashes Mascara by Tarte. We're nearing the end. I really just pinch it on there. Last step in the makeup, and then we're gonna put on a wig. Let's go, wig. All in eye teeth, man. It's just gonna be a part of the look. We just go with the flow because we're so nonchalant. Oh, she's taking it. The makeup is complete. Wig time. I'm about to be so bald. All right, ready? Just me being bald. I'd slay even bald. Oh, she's so bald. If this wig doesn't look cute, it's really gonna be a nightmare for everyone involved. We're so back. We never left. Turned on the overhead light so you guys could get a look at this look. Yeah, I'm Draculaura from Monster High. Feeling pretty good about it. Won't even lie to you. Halloween costume is complete. We could have had sexy jutsu. We could have had it all. The end. We're done. We're done. We're done. I so enjoy being here with you guys. I know that like physically I'm not with you, but I've heard from a few people that, you know, you feel like you're hanging out with me, and that's all I really want for these videos. I want to be somebody that you want to come and hang out with and do your makeup with. I'm here to serve you up some life advice, force you to listen to my special interests. Anyway, watch One Piece. I'll probably be incorporating some more lifestyle content into my stuff, and especially when I start school, I will probably film moving into my new apartment in December, and I'm so excited. I cannot wait. I really appreciate all of your love and support on my last video. I worked super hard on it, and I'm gonna work super hard on this one too. I'm so honored for all of you who are watching my videos. Sometimes I worry, oh, like, is anyone even really gonna watch this? But even if like 2 people watched it and got something out of it, it just means so much to me. Your comments mean a lot to me, and I try to read all of them and respond to all of them. This is my passion. I just want to keep doing this and bringing you content all the time. I love it, and I love you guys. Thank you. And if you want to check out my other videos, I'm gonna link them here. I'm gonna link all of my products, all of my social media below. If you liked the video, thanks so much. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't like the video, I'm gonna need you to log off before I start to cyberbully you. All right. Fuck it. Gross. What the f am I talking about? That we've worked so hard on. I itch. Damn it. Damn it. Damn. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it all. My name is... Pull up at your house. I my teeth again. It's entirely... Thanks for watching. Yay. Okay, we're done. We're done. Video 2, we're done. I will see you next time. Bye.